from Cyberscam Review, and today I'll be talking about Valkyrie RFLCT skincare scam. Valkyrie is a popular streamer that has been getting a lot of backlash lately due to product endorsement. There are multiple angles to look at the situation, but regardless of which one you choose, the end result will be somewhat the same. While the drama about the RFLCT scam is quickly getting out of control, there are a lot of things you need to know about before you get a grasp about the situation. Gamers in general spend a lot of time in front of the screens. Streamers in particular have made the entire thing cool, and one of the byproducts of the trend is overexposure to blue light. Blue light is known to cause sleeplessness and a wide variety of other problems. However, the real question with regards to the controversy is it that big of a problem? So, to know all the things related to Valkyrie RFLCT skincare, which most people call a scam, stick with me. YouTuber stars seem to be getting into a lot of shady endorsements recently. The consequences of not doing enough research about the product they peddle is indeed a big problem, to say the least. Valkyrie, as most of us already know, is a popular streamer. Her content is something that the algorithm likes, and over the years she has earned a lot of fans. She even has an exclusive deal with YouTube, and everything worked out great for her except the affiliation with the RFLCT product. Though many notable personalities are disagreeing with her claims, the public for the most part is confused. In simple words, the rabbit hole is deeper than anyone can imagine. Note that if the company in question does come up with scientific study to back up their claims, then it is going to be a revolutionary. For the time being, the evidence is not crystal clear, but it won't be a wise move to give benefit of the doubt to Valkyrie or of RFLCT brand. Blue light damage and Valkyrie. Female audience in particular cares a lot about skin routines. Everybody knows this. This beauty product grows billions of dollars on the annual basis. While skincare is indeed an important thing, you need to know the facts before buying a product, as after all it's about face. After all, there is no miracle cure to anything, and if anyone claims otherwise, it is better to withdraw yourself from the situation. Numerous studies have been done regarding the effects of blue light. Continuous exposure to blue light is known to cause a lot of problem to the eyes, and it affects sleep as well. As the skin product claims other things that it is skin damage from blue light, many people are questioning the narratives for obvious reasons. Is the blue light from screens really that big of a problem? Don't know. Does this product really help you with the situation? While the questions are straightforward, the answer is uncertain, and the official sources are silent about them. So on what basis can we really trust them? Valkyrie has opened up about the issue and has expressed her thoughts on the matter. In fact, on social media platforms, she has tried to address the questions, but everything is not clear yet. For example, she is not that transparent about the deals or contracts that prevent her from talking about it. The claims made by her about the brand not publishing the scientific study is not believable. Exact amount of money she earned from the firm is also unknown. However, the only clear thing is the conflict of interest that was present during the entire time. On the flip side, people are frustrated by the way she promoted the brand and expressing their thoughts in an aggressive manner. While few of her friends came to her rescue, the public sentiment was overwhelming, and a lot of people even questioned her motives. Sadly, the dust isn't fully settled, and there are a lot of things that need to be addressed. On Twitter, the response from our own audience has been particularly overbearing, and the situation looks critical. There are a lot of misconceptions when it comes to health, beauty and wellness products. Skincare routines and products are certainly not cheap. While people may think that expensive product might help them get the glow they are after, quite often that is not the case. When buying nothing that promises you results, always look for scientific studies. With one search on Google, you can find answers to almost everything you're looking for. If you encounter a product with no studies behind it, then regardless of how good the narratives are or who is promoting them, walk away from it. Also seek professional help if required. The RFLCT product does not have considerable evidence to justify their claims. Right now, it would not make much sense to incline toward believing them. After all, data speaks more than any other metric, right? Is Valkyrie RFL City a scam? The Valkyrie RFL City situation is complicated and it has a lot of unknown things in the equation. If they come up with solid evidence and studies, then without doubt it will be the next big thing in this segment. However, if they refuse to publish any data, then it paints them in a bad manner. When the public has already called them out, we cannot jump into any conclusions yet. For the time being, we just have to give them time and let the data they publish do all the talking. Till then, maintain distance and do not believe anything from anonymous sources. So, moral of the story is beauty standards set for females are often criticized, and it does make a lot of sense if you take a peek behind the curtain. While influencers might make big bucks, it often has a negative impact on society. It is true that we need to follow a strict skin routine and certain products are necessary. Nonetheless, never buy anything unless you understand the entire concept and always look for scientific evidence. If you ever encounter any product that promises quick result with little or to no proof attached, then do yourself a favor and walk away. Also visit your doctor before incorporating any new product in your routine. Valkyrie is doing her best to deal with all the criticism and hate. The person to be blamed is not clear yet, and it is only a matter of time before the truth finds its way to the top. So do not react until enough evidence is found, and from now onwards do not believe anyone's words blindly. So please share your thoughts on Valkyrie scam by commenting on our official website. Thank you.